Hello, darlings. Beatrice Mess at your service. Today for BM's Power Habit, we are sharing with you BM's Breakfast Yogurt Boost. What a wonderful thing this is! Are we excited now? Yes! We start off with a cup and a half of organic plain yogurt. Wonderful for digestion and protein, darling. Then we go to the bananas. Vitamin C, magnesium, and great for the skin. Blueberries, antitoxins, and wonderful blueberries, as well as maintaining healthy bone and skin. Oh, and adding granola is like adding a boost of energy, darling, with anti-cancer potential. When you add your cinnamon, your antioxidants kick in, your anti-inflammatory ingredients kick in, and you reduce your insulin levels, as well as lowering your blood pressure. Be sure to top it off with your local honey, dears. It improves your cholesterol level. It heals your sore throat. It kills that bacteria in an infectious body. Oh, what a wonderful thing that is! Doesn't that look absolutely delicious, dears? Oh my goodness, and so nutritious.